baking. Come on.
King crack. You
Okay, come on. Right.
Today we are baking vanilla sponge cake with buttercream. Guys, it has happened. You know, the day has come for my hair to be cut, and this happened. All my hair is gone. Actually, most of it because he did it. My father is a multitask, multi-talented man. Not only he can cook, he can also cut my hair like this. Guys,
You like it?
actually, it looks nice. But then I lost most of my hair. My thick hair is now gone. But at least,
No problem. It will
my
grow around
guys,
after
make
2
sure
months.
to like this video if you think my father should actually start a barber shop, because I think that will be better.
No. Wait. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
The ingredients are eggs, plain flour, sugar, milk, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, baking powder, vanilla powder, salt, baking soda, vanilla essence. These are the ingredients are using for vanilla sponge cake. The first step, we have to mix all the dry ingredients together. So, baking powder, salt, baking soda, and finally vanilla powder. Then mix it very well and keep aside. The next step, take a clean bowl, add 2 eggs and add sugar, then mix it very well to become a fine texture. Then beat the egg, it's become light fluffy. Then I am going to add clarified butter. Again beat around 1 minute. After 1 minute, I am going to add the vegetable oil. Again beat another 1 minute. Then I am going to add the flour mixture into the batter little by little. Then nicely fold it like this. Now I am going to add the milk little by little. Again mix it very well. And finally, I am going to add the vanilla essence. Again mix it very well. The batter is almost ready now. So look the consistency of the batter. So actually I am looking for this consistency for baking a perfect cake. Actually I am using a 6-inch baking tray for baking this cake. Also I need to apply some butter all over the cake pan. So like this, spread it evenly everywhere. And note that also you have to put butter paper inside the pan. Also put on the side as well. I'm going to pour the batter into the baking pan. Then bake it around 35 minutes with 180 degrees centigrade. Note the point, before baking the cake, make sure you have to tap the baking pan at least 2 to 3 times. I'm going to bake the cake at least 35 minutes in the oven.
Guys, look at the sponge cake. My dad just made this. I mean, it looks amazing, Dad. I got to say, it's really nice. But then, you know, It's actually a different color on the outside, but we'll never realize what's in the inside. But it is, of course, a vanilla sponge cake.
The cake frosting ingredients are sponge cake, sugar syrup, butter, icing sugar, milk, vanilla essence, red food color, and finally sugar straw. Now I will show you how to make a buttercream. First, take a white bowl, add room temperature butter. Then we have to beat the butter until light fluffy. Now I am going to add the icing sugar. So first I am going to add 2 spoons of icing sugar. Then beat the butter and icing sugar together another 2-3 minutes. Then I am going to add the remaining icing sugar into the mixer. So we have to continue the process until completely dissolved. Now I am going to add the milk, around 2 teaspoons. Again mix it very well to make a fine consistency. I'm going to add the vanilla essence. The buttercream is ready now. See the consistency of the buttercream, really fluffy and it's very good as well. So if you want, you can add into any other color as well. Now I'm going to cut the cake into 3 pieces. First we have to remove the top layer. Three pieces, 1, 2, 3. Look, the cake very soft. Now I'm going to assemble the cake. Take buttercream, just put on top of the base like this, so that cake doesn't move. Then you have to place the first layer of the cake exactly in the middle of the board. Sprinkle the sugar syrup all over the cake. Then buttercream on top of the cake. All over the cake. Then I am going to place the second layer sponge. You have to gently press. Then you have to repeat the process again. The second layer I am going to add different color. Then continue the process again to finish the cake. Now I'm going to sprinkle the sugar straw all over the cake.
Guys, you know what is one of the most important ingredients needed while baking a cake like this? And the answer is patience. Yes, because you have to store this cake for 2 to 3 hours. And you will ask why? Why can't I eat it now? And that's because the sponge will absorb all that tasty syrup and it'll taste really yummy. And my dad told me it'll taste amazing. So I can't wait. But obviously we had to wait 2 to 3 hours. So see you guys in just 2 to 3 hours. Okay Okay guys, you know what we are doing, right? I mean, if you're sitting here next to the cake and with some spoon, a fork and a plate, you know what we are doing, right? I hope Daddy also know what we are doing.
Nothing, don't talk too much. I'm going to cut.
Yeah, it's time. The time has come.
Nice.
Almost 3 hours have passed, right? Has passed, yeah, by now.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
This
Ooh.
is the cake.
Dude, the interior is like legendary, guys.
The cake.
Guys, I'm just gonna break apart a little.
I also take one piece of myself. The cake.
Guys, I have no time to explain anything right now.
Look, very beautiful.
My cake fell over. I need a new cake, Dad. My cake fell over.
Try. Very nice cake. Yes?
You know what? I can't explain right now. Guys, I just can't. It's that good. I mean, if you are a sugar lover, like me and my dad, I mean, we love sugar, right?
Yes.
Anything that's sugary, we have it. This is so sugary. If you love sugar, make sure, please make this at your home because you will just like it. Dad, I'm very impressed by you and your bakery skills.
Thank you.
Guys, please like this video if you think my father should actually start a bakery shop instead of a barber shop. Anyways, time for the big part. Make sure to like this video if you think we made the best cake in the world. And share this video to all your friends and subscribe to our channel. Click the red button. And
Okay, guys,
click the bell.
This cake really amazing. Only one word, amazing. Try it. Thank you.
Right. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.